Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm obviously not at home, and I got my Sailor Moon 2018 fan club stuff in the mail, and I just couldn't wait to get home to unbox it. So I went ahead and cut the box open because it took a minute to get into. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got a thank you from Tokyo Otaku Mode, because that's where I ordered mine. Got like a little clear file here. And I'm thinking that just has my shipping stuff in there. Not fun. This is a much bigger box than the two that I ordered last year, by the way. Paper. Oh, I'm so excited. I think they actually did use the art that they showed, because they said it might not be that art. So it comes like this. Oh, I even got the stickers. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it. It said it was for previous last year, people that ordered it last year. So, oh my god, guys, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is gorgeous. Like, that is so pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous. Very, very loving that. Yes, and of course I have the little necklace. Ah. Ooh, cute. So, how's this open? Hard to get into this little box. Oh, okay. Oh, so it got Sailor Moon on the inside, and it's kind of... Oh, that's a very nice size. I thought that would be a little bit smaller. Okay, so it's clear. Sorry, my camera's not focusing. There it goes. It's clear, but it has like the glitter and the star inside. Wow, that's a good size, I have to say. And ooh, look at this chain. Oh, that's really neat. Oh, that is super nice. It's even got a star at the bottom. Sorry, it's just moving. Oh, that is a super nice little thing. Can I actually? No, thought it was big enough without having to do the lobster claw clasp here. You can actually, that is super nice. Oh, it's way bigger. And I also, like I said, I got the stickers. So it's very reminiscent of the 90s US Sailor Moon fan club look. I think that might have been what they were going for. So let's see what we have in here. So it's the book. Oh, it's like a file. Oh, wow. So it is like stationary. Oh my gosh. So, oh, okay. So the paper. Oh, how funny. Okay, so it's all different colors. It's pink, red, and green. Or red, orange, hanging like green. And then it looks like that on the back. Or the front, probably back. And it appears that we have, oh wow, these are really cute little envelopes. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's just like very collector worthy. I don't even know if I will necessarily use that. Probably not. And then you get like these little, oh, for your envelopes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking cute. Okay, super cute. Really like that. Yay. Well, not too shabby for my Sailor Moon fan club set. Really enjoying that. And that is it for this video, and I will see you next time, Moonies.